Right, we're going to do some subtraction now. Again, I've set out the problems horizontally because it's important that you get practice in setting them out vertically according to their place value. So here I've got 236 take away 147. And you can see I've got them lined up according to units, tens, hundreds. And we start over at the units. So we've got 6 units, but we have to take away 7. Now we can't do that. So what we need to do is go to the tens, and we need to take away one of those 10. So now there are only 2. And we're going to break that 10 down into 10 units. So we now have 16 units. So therefore 16 take away 7 is 9. Now we go to the tens. We've got 2 tens, but we have to take away 4. Well, we can't do that. So let's break one of those hundreds down into 10 tens. So now we have 12 tens, take away 4 tens, leaves us with 8 tens. Then we move on to the hundreds column. We've got 100 and we take that away, so we're left with nothing. So our answer is 89. Now we're going to try one where we've got some zeros involved. So if we've got 302 and we take away 254, ideally this problem and the one before it you would probably actually do mentally. They're both quite easy to do mentally, but if we're going to use the standard algorithm approach, let's start with the units. We have 2 that we're going to take away 4. Well, we can't do that, but when we go to the tens column, we see we don't have any tens. So we keep going to the hundreds column. We take one of those hundreds, so we now only have 2, and break it down into 10 tens. Now that we've got 10 tens, we can take one of those. So now we have 9 tens and put that into the units. So we now have 12 units. So we can have 12 take away 4 is 8, 9 take away 5 is 4, and 2 take away 2 is 0. So we're left with an answer of 48.